Hello guys, I hope you are doing fine. So this is not your average farming vlog. This is about a picnic that we are going to do here on the sea beach, and I will show you the full process. And we are doing this on the occasion of Karthik Purnima, and as is the ritual, people go near the bodies of water and they offer their prayings and they cook there and they eat. So we are going to do the same here. So let me show you. We have already got some stuff. This is we are going to cook in earthen pots. We have two earthen pots, one for rice and one for chicken. See, so we are going to cook in earthen pots, and we have selected this place. This is pretty empty right now. There are not a lot of people. In fact, there's nobody here. You can see people are going. So this is a secluded place, and as you can see, that is the Chilika Lake. Let me show you. That is the lake, and the ocean, the Bay of Bengal, is this side. So I'll show you that as well. But first we will start cooking, and I have collected some firewood, and we are going to collect some more firewood. So let's go. Okay guys, so I've come to get some more wood for our stove, and as you can see, the forest looks very scary. So let's just collect some wood and get out of here. I'm afraid of snakes. So guys, let me show you the way to the beach. It's right here. See, as you can see, people are already going to the beach to offer their prayings, and then they'll come back. We will also go, but after we are done cooking. So guys, here we have made a makeshift stove, as you can see. And we've also gotten some water here for our rice. पूरा पकई देवी डाल दीजिए. हाँ ठीक है, माफ कीजिए, देख लो भलो इतना. Guys, as you can see, we have kept water for boiling in our earthen pot. This is our makeshift chulha, and then after that we'll put our rice. Guys, it's really difficult to light a fire, but we are managing. The water is somewhat warm, not boiling yet. After it's boiled, we'll add some rice into it. Okay guys, so we decided to change our location a little bit and decided to choose a more secluded place. And look at this place, what a beautiful place. So we are cooking here. Our water is almost done, and then we'll put some rice in it. Let me show you. See, water is warm. Now we'll put some rice. Okay guys, so now we'll add some rice to it. I have washed the rice twice with clean water. Now I'm adding it to it. then we have made a makeshift spatula because we don't have spatula. I'll clean it a little bit.
Slowly.
We'll mix it. We'll mix our rice and then I'll cover it up. You guys see our rice is being cooked. Okay guys, so we started making the chicken, adding some oil into the pot. Okay guys, so our oil is now heated. Now we'll add some chopped onions and whole garlic into this oil. Now we will add some tomatoes. One tomato. Guys, we have added turmeric and chili powder as well to it. Okay guys, so we have added chicken and some potatoes to our onion gravy, as you can see, and now we are mixing it, and then we'll add some masalas. Okay guys, so our chicken is almost ready. Now we are adding coriander leaves, and now we'll fry some fish.
सबड़े खा नहीं अन्न जो कौटी भी किसी भी करी खाई हाँ
गरम हो. So guys, we don't have any kind of a pan, so we are going to fry our fishes. This is Chilika sea bream, which we have marinated with salt and turmeric, and we are going to fry it in this the covering of the pot.
लांजड़ा रही पुणी उल्टे
Fried fish. Hey guys, so look at our chicken, it's ready, and we are eating some rice, some chicken, some salad, some fried fish with papad, lemon. It's finally done. Look how beautiful it looks in earthen pot. Guys, so we are going back now in our boat, as you can see. Hey guys, so that's the end of our vlog. Our trip is over and we have come back home. And I hope you really like the video. If you like the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.